Yes, sir.
So last class we have seen item category controls we have seen, right? So what is the T code for the item category controls? VOV7, right? So we have seen all the controls. So today we'll see how the item category will determine into our sales document. So for that we need to do this item category determination. Right. So I will show you. So we have seen all these item category. First we'll see the item category tables because we need to know, right? So this is the item category table, right? So you need to mug up all this because it is very important, these document types and item categories, right? So for inquiry it is AFN, for quotation it is AGN, for order it is STAN. So I think we have gone through it, right? Last class, these item categories. So how these item categories, I mean for inquiry it is showing item category is AFN. So how AFN is triggering while creating inquiry. So in quotation, the standard item category is AGN. So how the AGN is triggering while creating quotation? That's standard one because we have not created our own, right? So if you create your own, so how, where we need to change, where we need to upload that item category, created item category, new item category, right? So that we need to discuss today, the item category determination, right? So if you see the standard ORS, OR is a standard document type for order, and TAN is a item category for order, right? We'll see. First, I will create one order. You can see, does the item category TAN is proposing or not? We'll see now. Okay, so let me log in. The the server got expired, I think. Validate. Okay, we'll log in one more server. The server was got expired, so we need to create all this enterprise structure and all here. Okay, but for item category determination, we not required of this enterprise structure. Okay, right. So first I'll try to create an order. Oh God, we need an enterprise structure, so otherwise we can't able to create an order. I think today it will take time for to create enterprise structure only. Directly we can't. First we'll create one enterprise structure, then we'll start today's topic. Because without enterprise structure, we are not able to create an order. Right. So first we'll create /n SPRO. Does anyone created enterprise structure in their servers? Hello.
Yes, Mohammed.
Just can you share me your login credentials? Then we'll skip this enterprise structure, right? So for today's topic,
Okay,
we can
so
say, yeah.
yeah, I'll just share.
Because if we create enterprise structure now, so it will take today's session for completely enterprise structure only, right?
Yeah.
So only for
Okay.
explanation purpose only. We are not going to
Okay.
create any new thing, only to show.
Okay.
So how the order is showing in the order, how the item category is showing, and where we are going to change that settings and all we are going to see today.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can practice as well. Right. So for tomorrow, I will create a new enterprise structure. Then we'll practice in my server itself. So I haven't seen my server is expired, so otherwise I should be created all this. Will expire.
I just shared okay into WhatsApp, Mohammed.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
I just created.
I mean, is it S4 HANA only, right?
Not as for HANA. This is ECC.
ECC only. Okay.
Yeah.
No, you need to share these IP address as well. I mean, but
Okay. Let me.
so we have to log in. So here
Mm-hmm.
application server, right? Server address we need. The instance number, system ID should be EH7, I think. Instance number required. Server instance number.
Okay, it is 122 dot
122 dot
175
175
dot 39
dot
dot 39
39.
dot 38.
Instance
Instance
number
00.
and system ID
EH6. This.
EH6. Okay. The password is incorrect.
S caps you make it.
Mhm. Yes. Okay. Right. So what is your T code to create an order? VA01.
Yeah.
And what is your order type? I think we'll try this if we get, because all our servers are same, right? And it should has to come. Okay, so it is not created. slash and VA01. So we'll take standard order. So what is your sales area?
MX01.
MX01 and this distribution channel.
M1 you can take.
One, okay. And M1.
Yeah.
So I'm just creating an order.
Okay.
So here when you create a sale order, so we can able to see this, right? Header type and item data and schedule and data. So header data is controlled by document types and item data is controlled by item categories. You can see item category is there, right? Suppose we'll take a customer. Customer, do you have any customer?
I have created one. Okay, it is 5. Just take a new tab. I think one customer it was done. 100. It is kind of okay.
100.
Not remember. Just go through that maybe company code.
Okay. We'll go to the table.
Okay.
One and M1. Yeah, 100,226. Material wrong. No pricing procedure could be determined. So getting this error, I think you have not solved these errors. Okay, we'll solve this. What is this error? No pricing procedure could be determined. Anyone remember how to solve this error? First, what we need to do? We need to go to the B/08 and we need to create our own pricing procedure. Have you created any pricing procedure?
No, Mohammed.
All right, so we'll create a new pricing procedure, that is MX01, and we'll maintain description. Right, so now select it and double click on the controls and go to the new entries, and here we need to maintain step condition type PR00, requirement 2 and account key ERL. Yeah, okay, sorry, we have maintained OO, it is 00, PR00. Okay, now save it. So this is the first T code to solve that pricing procedure could not be determined, and next we need to go to the one more T code /n OVKK. So this is our future topic. Okay, so whatever pricing procedure we have created, that we need to assign to our sales area and document pricing procedure and customer pricing procedure, right? So we'll see does our combination is there or not. MX01, so it is not there, so we'll go to the new entries. So we'll maintain our sales area. So sales are M01, MX01, M1 distribution, M1 division, and document pricing procedure should be A, and customer pricing procedure should be 1, and MX01. So where we can see this document pricing procedure and customer pricing procedure. So this document pricing procedure we are going to see in our document type, right? So VOV8, if you remember. VOV8. Have you created any sales document? All right, okay, so I'll just copy and I'll just create my one. We'll create X4 only. Okay, just click on enter and save it. So document has been created. Okay, so where we can see this document pricing browser. So if you go to the Vivo V8 and you can go to the particular document, so here you can see the option document pricing browser. It is maintained A, right? So you can maintain A, right? It is maintained A and customer pricing browser. So we can able to see the customer master slash n xd02. If you go to your customer and maintain your company code is also mx01.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Right. Okay. Then if you go to the sales area data, so here you can see customer pricing browser 1, right? So based on this combination, our pricing browser should be determined. So our pricing we have created, right, in v slash 08. So that we need to assign, and then only our price will trigger, right? So here condition type, that is PR00, and save it. Okay. So next step, so after this T code, we need to maintain a condition record. So we need to maintain price for our material. So PR00 is our condition type, and click on material with release status. So I am creating a base price for our material. What is your material?
No, not created, Mohammed.
We have not created it. Okay. Meanwhile, we'll create a new material. M01 is a T code. 650 will take. So industry, pharmaceutical, and material type. Finish it good FERT here. Scroll down. But lot of finished goods are there here. Okay, we'll do one thing. Material type. Otherwise, we'll take one material from this list. Next. Okay. 650. So we'll go to the FERT. So finished product is there. So if I edit here, then we can able to see. So whatever we have maintained FERT, this is a standard one FERT. So this we need to select. So I'm just edited the description because in our material master it is showing only the description, right? So we can't able to see our material type. So I just maintain for standard one FERT, I just maintain FERT, then we can able to find in material master as well. So I'm just save it. Okay, done. Now there is our screen material master. Okay. So directly I'll go to the MM01 again. So we'll maintain 650 industry, pharmaceutical, and material type here FERT finished product. Here it is, right?
Yeah.
This one. Now just click on enter and select the views. Basic data 1, basic data 2, sales org 1, sales org 2, sales general plan data, and MRP 1, sales text, and general plan data 1. So this one is enough. Next, accounting 1, costing 1, right? So default. So now we'll get some errors. So what is our plant? MX01. Right?
Yeah, same MX01 and
MX01 and distribution channel
M1.
So now we'll get error. What it is saying, the company code has been not fully maintained. So what we need to do, we need to maintain fully. So for that, what we need to do, so we need to follow some steps. Action. So first we need to check these OBY6. So what is our company code? MX01. Okay. So just double click on it. So INT is maintained, K4 and 1000 is maintained. Now it is okay. So next we'll go to the one more T code OMSY. So here we need to maintain as per our financial year, right? So which period we are in? 9th period. So that we need to maintain. So 2024 and period 9. Just maintain and save it. Now done with this. Now, okay, so now we'll try to, because after update we need to again come from the T code again. So then it will update. So to the 650 and pharmaceuticals and finished goods, right? And then so we'll select organizational levels, MX01, MX01, MX01 and distribution channel M1. Now continue. So now it is aligned. So you can maintain description and base unit sheet. So what is our division? M1 and gross weight will make basic data 2, sales org 1, sales org 1 or delivering plant we need to maintain MX01 and tax classification. Transportation group and loading group, and then sales text MRP1 here ND, and then we have something. Let's go to the plan data. Forecast it is asking. So someone is maintained. Forecast model is a mandatory. So as of SD console, we don't require this. but someone is maintained mandatory with these fields, so you can maintain anything. Okay, so I'll just maintaining, and then we'll go to this plant data storage location 1. So here we need to maintain storage conditions, and then we'll go to the accounting data 1. So here valuation class 7920. So why 7920? Because it is a finished goods FERT, right? And the price is standard price. The standard price, yes, and 1000 is our standard price in the costing one. So we don't require any field. Just directly I'm saving it. So Dolo 650 has been our material, right? So now we'll try to use this. So directly I'll create one order now. Slash and VA01. So XOR. So before that, we need to maintain this OVKK, right? The pricing procedure we have not solved it. VK11. So
Yeah.
VK11 we need to maintain condition record. So we need to maintain price for our material Dolo 650. So our material is Dolo 650 and amount is 1000. Right now from this condition record only the price will trigger, because these condition type PR00 we have maintained in our pricing procedure, right? And that pricing procedure we have assigned with our sales area. So from here only the price will trigger into our sales document. Okay. So BA01. Now I'll try to create an order. So we'll see. So mostly we'll get one error. So what is that error? Sales area has not been assigned with our sales document type, right? It has to get. We'll see now. So we need to assign our document type to our sales area, right? In OVAZ. So now we don't get any error. Okay. So you can see, right? So the item category is copying here. So TAN is
Okay.
copying. So our topic
Yeah.
is item category determination, right? So how the item category is copying into our sales document. So where we are assigning by which components the item category is triggering here. So we're going to discuss today, right? So the T code to determine item category is VO V4. VO V4 is the T code to determine item category. So this is the T code. So where our item category will trigger. So if you go, what is our sales document type? X4. So what is our item category group? So if you see in our material master, right? If you see in our material master, item category group field is there in sales org 2 view. If you remember, right? So I will show you that. So go to the sales org 2 view, then you can see item category group. What it is there? NORM. Right. So what is our item category group in our material? NORM. So that you need to maintain and just click on enter. You can see. So you can see, right? So TAN. It is TAN is the default item category. So based on these which fields, so sales document type, item category group, and item usage and higher level item category. So based on these combination, our default item category is triggering. You can see in our sale order, what is our item category? It is showing TAN, it will show, right? So how the TAN is showing means, so based on this combination. So based on our which combination? Based on our document type and item category group. You can see TAN is there, right? So you can see TAN is there, right? For example, so if you want to create your own, so you want to create your own. So where we are going to create our own, in which T code, what is the T code for item categories? For determination, it is VOV4. For item category, VOV7, right? Last class we have seen. In VOV7, we are going to control, we are going to create. So stand is a standard one for order. So I will just select and I will copy. So I will create my own, that is extend I will create, right? So click on yes and save it. So and this extend after creating in VOV7, right? So after copying and after controlling all this, after creating, so this you need to assign into your item category determination. So after creating in Vivo V7 and you need to go to the Vivo V4, right? So in the Vivo V4, based on your sales document type, item category group, and higher level item category and item usage. So based on this, the item category will determine. So for normal TAN, so we only required sales document and item category. We don't require these item usage and higher level item category. These two should be blank and these should be maintained. So sales document type is XOR and NORM is our default item category. It is proposing TAN. So if I maintain extan here, right, extan I am maintaining here and I'm saving it. Okay. Now I'll create one order. Now we'll see this extan will copy into my sales document or not. So before it was TAN, right? Now I assigned my item category to my higher level item category and document type and item usage and item category group. So based on this combination, the item category is triggering, but we are maintaining only document type and item category group, right? So now you can see I have not maintaining anything. You can see I'll just click on enter. You can able to observe this now. Item category extend is copy. So how the item category is copying here now? So we need to do item category determination. So based on the sales document type, item category group and item usage and higher level item category, based on this four combination, the default item category will trigger. So for our TAN, so only we are going to maintain this document type and item category group. So we are not going to maintain this item usage and higher level item category. Okay. So I will maintain how the item category is triggering, how the item category is copying into our sales document, based on which combination, based on sales doc and based on item category group and item usage and higher level item category, then it is showing default item category. Default item category is triggering into a sales document. So interview they will ask. So it is a most important question interview. So if you want to check your basic knowledge, then they will ask this question for sure. So how the item category will copy into our document type means you need to explain. So based on our item category determination, so based on the sales document type and item category group and item usage plus higher level item category, based on this combination, our default item category will copy into our sales document. So you need to explain like this. You need to explain these four types, right? Four fields. Right. So based on these combinations, our default item category is triggering. So I will show you some scenarios here. So I will show you some scenarios, then you are going to understand. So you can see, so how the item category is triggering. So item category determining based on the below combination. Which combination? Sales document type, item category group and item usage and higher level item category. Based on this, our default item category is triggering, right? So sales document type means we already know, right? So in Vivo V8, so sales document type. So every sales document type we are having a standard item category. So this for inquiry it is AFN, for quotation AGN, for order TAN. So that item sales document type we need to maintain. So item category group. So where we can able to see this item category group in our material master MM02 we have seen, right, in sales or 2 view. So for standard item category group it is NORM there. In normal scenario we are going to use NORM item category group. So if we are using third party scenarios, so these are the business scenarios. So I will explain you in that topic. So if it is a third party scenario, third party material, right? Third party material means the company is purchasing from their vendor. Okay, that scenario we call it as a third party, right? So if the third party material, then for that material we'll maintain BANS while creating only in MM01 only. So if you are that material you are going to use in the third party scenario, then the item category group in MM02 you need to maintain BANS. So if it is a IPO scenario, then for that material you are going to maintain BANZ. So if it is a make to order, right, it is a make to order, just spelling mistake. So if it is a make to order scenario, then we are going to maintain 0001 in the item category group in the particular material. So if it is a bill of material, BOM concept, so we are going to discuss later this BOM concept. So if it is a bill of material BOM concept for header pricing, for header item, then we are going to maintain ERLA. For item pricing, header item LUMF. Okay. So for this scenario we are going to use. So if you create a BOM concept for our material, we are going to use ERLA only, ERLA and LUMF. Okay. So I will show you while creating the BOM concept this how we are going to maintain, right? So you can see. So these are the some standard. So how these NORM is triggering, and sorry. So how our by using these item category NORM, so how our normal item category, default item category is triggering, you can able to see. So if our document type is order, then if our item category, so here the changes in the only the item category group in the material master, then you can able to see. So OR is there in our material master, item category group is NORM is there. So if the default it will trigger TAN. So if document type OR is there and in your material master, the item category group you have maintained BANS in third party scenario, then will propose TAS. So in W they will ask, so what is item category for third party? So what is item category? TAS is a third party item category. TAS you need to explain. So how the TAS is triggering into a sales document means, so based on this combination, based on our sales document and based on our item category BANS, so default item category TAS is triggering. So like this you need to explain. So if you are using BANC in your material master, then it will show tab in your sales document. Right? If you are using OR and in your item category group 0001, then it will show TAK in your sales document. So if you are maintaining OR and ERLA, then it will show TAQ. So this is a BOM concept, and this is a header pricing, this is a item pricing. So OR and LUMF, then tab. So where we are going to maintain this in our material master, right? I have shown you in sales or 2 view, NORM is there, right? So if you maintain this, then the default item category will be changed. Okay, so I will show you that as well. Determination. So defaultly it is maintained because it's the standard combinations, right? So defaultly should be maintained. Okay. Right. So if you go to the VOV4, so I will show you that as well. So how that item category is triggering. Right. If you see the first combination we have seen already, OR and ORM, TAN we have seen. Right. In place of TAN I have maintained XTAN. Right. So now we'll see this combination OR and BANS. Then it has to default item category should be TAS. So I will show you does it created or not. So OR. So if you take XOR here as well, so it should be there. So defaultly because we have copied, right? So and VANS. So you can see TAS is there now. Default item category. You can see what is item category TAS. So if you change it to BNC, then it has to show TAB. Right. You go to the position and maintain XOR and BANC, and you can see tab. So if you maintain XOR and 0001, then it will show TAK. Right. So these are the changes in the item category. If you change the item category group, then how the default item category will changes. So that we are going to see. Right. So if you maintain ERLA, then it has to show TAQ. Right. That is the scenario. So how it will triggering into our sales document means based on our item category determination. So based on the item category determination, the default item category will be triggering into our sales document. So like this you need to explain. So these are the business scenarios we are going to change. In all the normal scenarios, we are going to use NORM only. So if the scenario is third party, then we are going to use BANS. If the scenario is IPO, then we are going to maintain BANC. If the scenario is make to order, then we are going to maintain 0001. If the scenario is bomb concept, then we are going to use ERLA. If the item pricing is there, then we will maintain LUMF. Okay, that is a scenario, right? So you can see this is a real-time requirement. So the client requirement is any customer, if he purchase slow moving item, system should not update value into our credit management. So how to configure this? So what he say, so this is a real-time client requirement. So what is saying? The client requirement is any customer, if any customer purchases slow moving item is nothing but, so the sales is very poor for that material. So no one will purchase, right? The sale is very poor. With that item we call it as a slow moving item, slow moving material. Okay. If your material is a slow moving item, so if whenever the customer place an order of the slow moving material, then system should not update the value into credit management. So wow, so if the customer is purchasing slow moving item, whatever the value is there, so it should not update in the credit management. So that is a future topic. So how we are going to configure means, so we need to follow these steps. Okay, so what we need to do first, we need to copy tan to y10. So where we are going to copy in VOV70 code, right? So and we need to uncheck these. We need to active create active checkbox is there in our item category. We need to uncheck this. So then our whatever the credit details are there, whatever the value is there, so it should not update into our credit management. Okay, that is a scenario. Only this checkbox should be there, but he's showing all the scenario, all the topics, all the steps he is showing. You can see tan is there. He have created tan and y10 he have created. In the y10 he have unchecked that create active, and then he have defined his own item category group in place of NORM. So he have created his own ZORM he have created. And for material master also, so slow moving material also he have maintained his own ZORM. And then we need to go to the item category determination VOV4. So Y10. So based on this combination, right? OR and ZORM, because the item category group is ZORM, right? So based on this combination, so Y10 it has to propose. Simple, right? So you can do practice this scenario, right? So what we need to do? So you need to go to the VOV7 and copy it, and you can create this, right? Y10 you can create, and you can uncheck this create active. If you double click on this Y10, so you can able to see the fields, right? So last class we have discussed all the fields. So create active checkbox should be there. So that checkbox you need to uncheck it, and then you need to create your own item category group. So for that you need to follow this path. So create your own item category group, and that item category group. So whatever the material is there, so you can create your a new material as well for this slow moving item, and you can change it to ZORM, NORM to ZORM you can change, and then you need to assign whatever the item category you have created Y10. So that you need to determine into sales document. For that you need to go to the VOV4, and based on your combination, based on your document type and item category group ZORM, so default item category Y10 has to be maintained. That's it. Now we can create an order. So you can able to see, you can't able to see our value into our credit management. That is the scenario. You can do practice. Simple, right? So VOV7, and you can create your own item category group, and that item category group you are going to maintain your material master MM02, and then this Y10 we need to maintain our based on this combination, right, in VOV4. So there you can maintain. That's it. Okay, so you can do practice, right? So that's it. So till now we have seen. So only by using item document type and item category group examples we have seen. So based on these two combination, we have seen some examples, right? So now we'll see what is this item usage, in which scenario we are going to use this item usage, and the higher level item category. So which scenario we are going to use this, right? So we'll see now. Okay. So we go to the document. Okay. So here. So item usage, in which scenario we are going to use this item usage means, so system will consider item usage for the below scenarios. Whenever the sub item automatically determining into sales document other than BOM. So whenever the sub item is automatically determining into sales document. So what is a sub item? So when you create a sales document, okay, so let me log in. Okay, so when you create a sales document, so here if you enter any material, so with the material, if you are getting any material as a free, okay, so sub item is nothing but main item is a Dolo 650. For the main item, you are getting one more material. So like for example, if you take you're purchasing any phone, you are purchasing with that phone, what are the items you will get? So you will get case, you will get charger, you will get, right? So these are the sub items. Okay. So if the sub item concept is there, then that scenario we are going to use these item usage. Whenever the sub item automatically determining into sales document. So when you enter phone here directly iPhone, then the sub items, the charger it has to show, right, automatically charger, case it has to show. So if the automatically the sub items are triggering in the sales document, in that scenario we are going to use this item usage. Okay, so in which business process we are going to use that item usage means the below scenario you can see in free good determination, in cross selling and batch split. So these are the topics in our, these are our future topics. So in that topic, so we are going to use item usage. So which item usage we are using? Free. So this is one of the item usage. Free is item usage. So we can maintain in VO V4. We are having a field called item usage. So there we are going to see. Okay. So for example, if you can see, I will show you one scenario. Take XOR and our item category group is NORM. And for example, item usage is free. So TANN is a standard item category for free goods. Okay, for free goods. So how the free goods you can see, right? So how the free goods is determining means you need to explain like this. So based on this scenario, so sales document type, item category group, and item usage free, and higher level item category we'll discuss later in which scenario we are going to use. But the default item category is TNN for free goods. So you can see, right? So item usage we have used free. So in which scenario? For free good determination scenario we have seen, right? So you need to practice all this, right? So in the free good scenario, we are going to use FREE, free item usage, and material determination usage. PSHP we are going to use it for header item. For sub item we are going to use PSEH, PSEL. For item pricing PA7. For sub item PSEA2 for material determination topic. Right, for cross selling CACL, for batch split usage CHSP. So these are the topics we are having. In future we are going to discuss. So in that topic, so if you want to trigger the material determination, then their item usage should be this. Okay, for free goods it is free, and remaining all, so these are the item usage, right? So you can see how this item category is triggering. So you can able to see some examples here in the material determination. So how the material determination, so we are going to use, you can see. So this is a normal order. You already know document type is OR and item usage NORM, and item usage is blank, and higher level item category is blank, and default item category is 10. This is our normal order, right? The normal order. If you want to trigger material determination header pricing, then you can see our document type is OR and item category group is NORM. This combination, but we are adding only item usage PSHP, PSHP. Then the default item category should be tax. So higher level item category is blank now. So only three combinations we are maintaining. So for normal order, OR and NORM is common, and remaining two are blank. For material determination header pricing, so we are just adding item usage extra, PSHP, then our item category is changing, TAX. Okay, so you can see here, go to the position and maintain our document type XOR and item category group NORM and item usage is PSHP. You can see tax, TAX. You can see the document as well, TX, right? Right, you can see for item pricing as well, only the item pricing. So the PSA1 is changing. For normal order, it is same. Only for item pricing, the item usage is changing. PSA1 we need to enter. So TAPA it has to show. You can see XOR and RM item usage PSA1. You can see PSA1. What it is showing? Just a minute. PSA1. So it has to show TAPA. Right. So someone has changed the settings here. Okay. So it has to be TAPA. Okay. So it is a dummy server, right? So most of the users will use, but the standard combination is TAPA. Okay. TAPA. Right. So these are the two scenarios, I mean, by using only the item usage. So only document type and higher level item category, sorry, item usage and item category group. So based on these three combination, we have seen the example now. So next, so we are going to use higher level item category as well. In which scenario we are going to use this higher level item category means if you are having a sub item, for that sub item, we are going to use this higher level item category. For normal, we don't use this item category, higher level item category. Only for sub item we are going to use. So if you are having a sub item material, for that material, so whatever the main items item category is there, so that main items item category we are going to use in the sub items item categories determination in higher level item category. So just assume that I will show you. For example, you can see here one example I will show you, then you can able to understand. Okay, so what is a free good? So free good item category just now we have seen. So free good item category is TAN. Okay. So free good item. So free good item categories. What is it? Free good item category TAN. TAN. This is the free good default item category. So how it is getting? So means for that we are having some determination, right? So what is the determination here? So I will tell you that later. So for example, so I am having a one Dolo 650 with the Dolo 650, the sub item. So what is the sub item? So just assume that PCM is there. PCM is the free I am giving. So for Dolo 650, the customer need to pay, but the sub item is PCM. So if you purchase Dolo 650, I am giving paracetamol as a free good. Okay. So Dolo 650 main item. For main item, so the item category is TAN, right? For main item, the item category is TAN. For sub item, so how the combination should be, you can see. For TAN, what is the combinations? So document type, XOR, and item category group NORM, and remaining two are blank. Right? Remaining two are blank, and defaultly it is showing TAN. So this is the main item. This is the main item category. So if with this material, this is for, just assume that Dolo 650, right? So I am giving paracetamol as a free. So for free good, then the combination should be like this. XOR is the same and NORM is same. And so we are not going to use this one here. So item usage is blank and higher level item category. So higher level item category, what we are going to maintain. So whatever the default item category is there for Dolo 650, so that we need to maintain in the higher level item category. Got it now? So this is the item category. This is the standard item category, default item category for normal order. So whatever these item category is there. So these item category, when we will maintain in the higher level item category, then these item act like a sub item. So these item category determination for PCM. Okay. So when you enter $650, automatically it will trigger PCM and the item category it will show TAN. For $650, the item category TAN. I got it now. My scenario. So otherwise I will explain here. Okay. So these are the 4 combinations we are having. Explain easily now. Now you are going to understand that. Okay. For normal order, you already know document type is XOR. I mean standard will take OR and OR and item category group in the material master NORM, and defaultly it is showing TAN. So this is the main item. Dolo 650 is the main item. For sub item, for Dolo 650, if you need to give any material as a free, for that material the combination should be like this: OR and NORM, and we don't have item category, item usage. So higher level item category. So this is the free. For which material you are getting free? So if you purchase Dolo 650, this is a TAN, right? Dolo 650's item category is TAN. So if you purchase Dolo 650, you are getting a free of this particular material. Then that scenario. So whatever the Dolo 650's item category is there, whatever the main items item category is there. So this item category we need to maintain as a higher level item category. Then these material act like a sub item for this material. So I'm just interlinking. This item category, I'm just maintaining a higher level item category. Then default item category, it will show TAN. That is a scenario. Okay. So you can see the example as well. So you can see here. So in these automatic free goods. So for normal order, TAN. For sub item. So this is a X material, this is a Y material. For X material, X is our main material. It is a TAN. For Y is our free material. For that, the item category is TAN. So how it is triggering means TAN, you already know OR and ORM and blank blank and TAN is proposing. So for TNN, how it is proposing means item category OR, item category NORM, and item usage is free, and TN and TNN. So we need to maintain item usage as well. I just forgot. Okay, so item usage also we need to maintain. Okay, so here the item usage is there for this sub item. Okay. This combination should be there and default TNN is proposed. Okay, so I will show you that combination as well. So it is logging out. So I will show that combination, then I will. Sorry. Right, so if you go to the Vivo V4, so I'll show you that combination free good scenario. Then you can see. For normal order, you already know, right? XOR and NORM. So these you already know. Extant is there. So if it is a free good, then whatever the item category is there. So what is our item category? Extant, right? So these item category we need to maintain for sub items or higher level item category. Okay. This combination should not be there, I think. We'll see. XOR and item category NORM and item usage is free and default item category is extant for our combination. For our combination, extant. So it is not there. Right. For TAN is there. For if you are creating free good, then you need to create your own combination. Okay. So I will take the standard combination XOR and NORM and free and TAN. The default is TNN, you can see. Right. So it is gone somewhere. So you can able to see XOR and NORM and free and TAN. You can see TNN. So these are combination. In ORM, item usage is free. Higher level item level TNN. So when you use that combination, the default it will show TNN. So if you create your own, in spite of TNN, while copying TNN in Vivo V7 and created you new one, then that you need to assign here. So in Vivo V7, you are going to control, you are going to create. But if you want to trigger in our sales document, you need to come to this Vivo V4 item category determination. Then you need to change here. Then only it will change in our sales document. Otherwise, it will not change. Okay, that is a scenario. So tomorrow, so you can do practice this, all this. You can able to see in Vivo V4 only all this. So because this is our future topic, so there we'll discuss what is this manual free goods and automatic free goods, right? But you can able to see in Vivo V4, you can able to see all this combination. You can run this combination in the position, and you can able to check these combinations. Okay. Okay, so this is the item category group. So we have seen now. So the default item category, how it is triggering ORN, ORM, and TAN is proposing ORBNS, TS it is proposing. So we have seen all this, right? And so tomorrow we'll see, we'll create a bomb. Then we'll see this scenario, how we are going to see this bomb concept header, right? So we'll create a bomb concept and then we'll see this item category. Tomorrow we'll create a bomb concept and how the item category will trigger, and we'll see. Okay, so this is a header price, bomb header pricing and bomb item pricing, right? And we'll see the scenarios as well. Okay, then we are done with this topic. Okay, so tomorrow we'll see bomb concept, then the bomb concept item category determination we'll see, and then we'll start a new chapter, that is schedule and categories. So in the item category, we are controlling the line item, right? In schedule line category, we are going to controlling the schedule line tab. So what is the sales document structure? Header data, item data, and schedule line data, right? So how the header data is controlling based on the document type. So how the item category is controlling based on the item category. So how the schedule line category we are going to, so how the schedule line tab we are going to control by using schedule line categories. Okay. For all the line items, I mean, for all the document types, we'll have the schedule line category as well. Same like item category. For inquiry, if is there, this is item category. For inquiry, we'll have a schedule and category as well. That is AN. Okay, for all the documents, we'll have separate schedule and categories. Right. So how the schedule line has to behave in the particular document. So if you are an inquiry, then how the schedule line data has to be triggered into our inquiry document. So if it is an order, so how the schedule and category will trigger in the order document. So that we need to see in the schedule and category. Okay, so tomorrow we'll see the schedule and category and the bomb concept and all. And okay, so we'll connect tomorrow and then we'll see these topics. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Mohammed.